When it comes to UI design tools, Figma and Sketch are two heavyweights that often come up in conversation. Let us break down how they stack up in the prototyping game. First off, Figma shines with its real-time collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on a prototype simultaneously, which is perfect for team projects. In contrast, Sketch offers a more traditional approach, focusing on individual design workflows, which can be limiting for collaborative efforts. Secondly, Figma's cloud-based platform means you can access your work from anywhere, while Sketch requires a desktop application, making it less flexible for on-the-go designers. However, Sketch does have a robust plugin ecosystem that can enhance its prototyping capabilities, giving it an edge in customization. Lastly, Figma's prototyping tools are integrated seamlessly within the design interface, making it easier to create interactive prototypes without switching contexts. Sketch, while powerful, can feel a bit clunky with its prototyping features, often requiring additional tools for advanced interactions. In conclusion, both Figma and Sketch have their strengths, but if collaboration and accessibility are your priorities, Figma takes the lead, while Sketch may appeal more to those who prefer a standalone design experience.